Hey everyone, imagine this. You're driving smoothly and suddenly your car hesitates or shifts roughly. You connect an OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0967. This code is linked to the Pressure Control Solenoid C, which plays a crucial role in keeping your transmission running smoothly. If this issue isn't fixed, you could face hard shifting, slipping gears, or even transmission failure. But don't worry. Today, we'll break down what P0967 means, where the sensors are located, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0967? DTC P0967 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid C Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, uses pressure control solenoids to manage fluid pressure inside the transmission. If the circuit for solenoid C has high voltage, it disrupts transmission operation, leading to harsh shifting or limp mode. Common symptoms of P0967. If your car has this code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts. Gear slipping, RPMs increase but speed doesn't. Transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light. Poor fuel efficiency sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0967, you need to check these key components. Pressure control solenoid C location, located inside the transmission valve body, alongside other solenoids. Function, controls transmission fluid pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location, usually near the battery, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission case. Function, sends voltage signals to the solenoid to regulate pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function, measures fluid pressure and relays data to the TCM, wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location. Runs from the TCM to the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0967? Common causes include 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid C. Internal failure causes high voltage. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors. Short circuits or corroded wires can increase voltage. 3. Transmission control module, TCM, malfunction. Sends incorrect signals to the solenoid. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Affects hydraulic pressure regulation. 5. Battery or alternator issues. High voltage spikes can interfere with the TCM. How to fix P0967. Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition. Low or burnt transmission fluid can cause shifting problems. Drain and replace if needed. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires leading to the solenoid and TCM. Repair or replace faulty connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid. C. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the alternator and battery voltage. A weak battery or failing alternator can cause high voltage issues. Measure the battery voltage, should be between 12.4V–14.5V. Step 5. Scan and reset the TCM. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the transmission control module. Drive the car and check if shifting improves. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the code using a scanner. Drive at least 10–15 miles to ensure the fix worked. Final words. If your car has P0967, it means pressure control solenoid C is receiving too much voltage, leading to shifting problems. Fixing it early can save you from expensive transmission repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0801, Reverse Inhibit Control Circuit. P0802, Transmission Control System, Mill Request Circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to channel for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.